Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a new Python most frequently used functions in data analysis. So today we will use apply and group by function of pandas in Python. So let us import this libraries pandas and numpy, and I have created some sample data frame. It has three rows and it has seven columns. Okay, so this is just a random data frame. Now what I want to do, I want to use the apply function. So basically what is mean by apply? So in any data frame, so if you want to use apply, then in apply you have to give any function in the sense anything. Say for example x dot sum. So x is a data frame and sum is the summation of all the values. Okay, so likewise here if I talk about this data frame df, so here you can see there are three rows and seven columns. Okay, so let me do first apply function. So I will take apply df dot apply in square in round bracket. Okay, np dot square root. Okay, np, it is a numpy function dot square root. So what it will do, it will give me the square root of all these numbers. Okay, whatever the elements are there. So let me do the square. So this is called the function. Okay, and remember one thing, the it pre-assume that your axis is 0. This is the most important condition. So again I will repeat how apply function works. So apply is nothing but any predefined function that we want to pass on to this data frame. If we want to do like that, then we'll use apply function. Okay, if it is a square root, if I do summation, okay, so it will by default show the summation. Now how come this happened to this summation? So I will tell you the reason. As I said, this works in a basic principle that axis is equal to 0. Okay, so what it will do, it will do the summation of all the rows, like 4 4 4 12. So here you can see 12, then 9 9 9 27. So here you can see the column sum of column b is 27. So likewise it will take the summation as a of all row element. Now if you say is like I want to do the column wise summation, okay, so let me do axis is equal to 0. What will happen? Okay, now say x, this is row. Now I will do x is equal to 1 column. So it will give me the summation of all rows in the sense a 0 number row, summation of a b c d up to g, 39 39 39. Okay, so this is the beauty of apply function in data frame. Here it is the same bifurcation. When you take the axis is equal to 0, so it will give me the summation of all the columns. Okay, and when x is equal to 1, summation of all rows. Okay, so this is very important. Now next thing is if you want to use a lambda function, you can also use the same thing, like how df dot apply lambda x into this array and axis is equal to 1. So wherever axis is equal to 1 column is there, you can pass on this array value. Okay, so in this row number 0 1 2, you can see this list has been passed on. Okay, so this is the most important things. Simple. Here apply any function. In apply you need to give any function in between this closing brackets. Okay, next thing is group by. So group by is most popularly used function to get the aggregated values. Okay, what is mean by aggregated value? Okay, let us see. So let me first create one data set, data frame, sorry. So this is a new data frame. Here you can see there are two columns and there are four records. Okay, in that record, in animal category, you can see falcon, falcon, parrot, parrot. Okay, so 2 time falcon, 2 time parrot. Speed will be different. Okay, now I just want to group by animal. So group by means it will collect the information how many times falcon is there and how many times parrot is there, and what I want to do. I want to do this mean. What is the mean? Okay, so group by function is applied in this way. Df dot group by, then in square bracket, in round bracket, and in list you have to give any column name which is string. Okay, so it is very very important, you should have string and dot mean. So what it will do, it will find wherever the animal is there, and it will try to do the mean of the speed. Okay, now it is 380, here 370, so it will take 375 mean. Okay, and falcon will be common, likewise parrot. So this is very 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 important things. Again I'm repeating you, in data frame, if you want to do the group by function, then you need to do in a similar way. Data frame dot group by, in a round bracket, in list you have to give animal, means here whatever the column name is, and dot mean. Here you need to give any aggregator, mean, average, sum, square root, kind of thing. Okay, next is group by. We can also do the different level of hierarchical index level using parameter. Okay, so I will explain you this way. I have created one array. This is one array list. Okay, and what I will do, I'll just give one index value. Index is equal to pd dot multi index dot from arrays, means from this arrays. Here from array is one function. Okay, I have given the arrays as a list, and name is equal to animal and type. So here there are two columns. This is one and this is second. I have given first name animal and second is the type of nature. So let us see what is a data frame. Okay, okay, I haven't passed on index. Okay, my bad. Yeah, so here you can see this is my data frame. All right, how come this come? I have created one arrays, list arrays, then I have created one index using multi index method. Okay, and I just use pd dot data frame. First I gave a dictionary of the maximum speed, and index would be my index. So this I received one data frame. Now in this data frame I want to do group by level method. So what is level? Level is nothing but the first you can say the index of your data frame. Okay, so here what I will do, I will get the group by this falcon and animal name falcon and parrot. Okay, why? It what it will do, it will do the mean, it will do the function mean of the remaining elements. Okay, why? Because I have given here mean. If you want to do sum, you can also do the same way, sum as well. Okay, so this is the main differentiator. Use level is equal to 0, that means it will do based on your index. Okay, then next is a group by, you can use type. Type in the sense whatever the next bifurcation or segmentation is given, you can do the group by type method. Okay, so here I have given the type. So how, what I received here, I received here based on the type of data frame. Okay, so here if I see captive is 390 and captive is 30. Okay, so average of 390 plus 30 would be 210. Next is wild 350 plus 20, their average would be 185. So this is the beauty of group by level method. You can do by index as well as you can do by various segment wise values. Okay, so this you should always remember. Now let us take one more example. I've created this data frame by giving the animal and maximum speed number. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to do the group by animal. Okay, so animal in the sense, what is a uh, total speed of unique animals. Okay, so what I will do, I will do df dot group by animal and dot sum. So this method, I will get the summation of falcon speed and summation of parrot. Okay, so this is very handy. And if you want to take the values of this falcon animal, you can use by a lambda method. So df dot group by animal dash group key is equal to true, so it will throw you the group key. And lambda x colon x means each and every index it will iterate and will give you the same values. Okay, so this is the classic example of using apply and lambda method, apply and group by method. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, feel free to post your queries in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.